Batch comprising of 67 Indians arrived back home from the violence-torn Libya on special flights to an emotional welcome from their relatives back in India. In fact, more Air India flights are leaving to ferry the stranded Indians as well as the chartered passenger ship, and they have actually set sail as a part of India's Operation Safe Homecoming to bring back its nationals. So far, 500 Indians have returned from strife-torn Libya on these special Air India flights.
हम लोग तुब्रुक में थे, ईस्ट साइड में, जहाँ पर अलबैदा, तुब्रुक और बेंगाजी, दरना 4 जगह प्रोटेस्टेंट्स हैं ना वहाँ पर। वो लोग पूरा एक्वायर कर लिए, पूरा प्लेस पे कब्ज़ा कर लिए। वो इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर करे अपने आप को। फिर पता नहीं अब क्या हो रहा। पूरे न्यूज़ चैनल्स, इंटरनेट और आउटगोइंग कॉल्स, आउट ऑफ कंट्री पूरे कॉल्स जाना बंद। नो एयर फ्लाइट्स भी कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं था। हाँ, हम लोग वहाँ से वो लोग अपने आप खुद को गवर्नमेंट ने डिक्लेयर कर लिए। वो लोग जो सुना हमको सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स के थ्रू हमको वहाँ मिस्र के बॉर्डर तक पहुँचाए। वहाँ से इंडियन एम्बेसी वाले आके हमको सेफ लेके चले गए।
3 days it was very panic. So situation was coming normal. So it was normal. So that's why we evacuated. Almost all foreigners are evacuated. Means near about 50 to 60% they are evacuated. Every boy was carrying a gun at a corner, everywhere, every boy, even a 10-year boys old. So it was panic. We even can't move out of our house.
I got a phone call on Friday that you should reach the border anyhow because people from Cairo embassy or from Tripoli, they were not able to come to our place. So I asked one of my students to take us to the border. He came at 3:30 in the morning, early morning, and he took us to the border. And there people from Cairo embassy, 2 officers, Mr. Pritham and Mr. Agnihotri were present. And then they gave us food and everything. We were looked after. They arranged for the buses and they brought us to Cairo. And there the ambassador, I'm sorry I've forgotten his name, and he was there on his feet. Okay, he put us in the hotel and he made all the arrangements, booked our tickets, and then he didn't know that even the ticket can be given to the final destination also for other people. We too are from Mumbai, and then we were brought to Bahrain by Gulf Air, and Bahrain also there were 2 officers, 2 or more than 2 present.